Paano mag-apply ng Spain visa kung may sponsor ka? May mga nagtatanong, paano kung may sponsor, ano yung process? So first step, identify kung anong sponsorship ang meron ka or the type of sponsorship. If you're applying for work visa or let's say the highly qualified professional visa, usually yung sponsor ay yung employer or yung boss or yung company mo. Next, for student visa, usually yung sponsor mo ay yung parents mo, yung immediate family, or financial guarantor. So for the financial guarantor, usually these are the schools. Yung schools na nagbibigay ng full scholarship sa students or the school promises a full scholarship to the student. So that's another kind of sponsor. Family reunification, yan yung mga residents or yung mga family members ninyo na residente dito sa Spain. So they can petition you or they can be your sponsor para pumunta ka dito ng Espanya. Overview about the types of sponsors. So pwede kang magpa-sponsor sa work visa, student visa, family reunification, and even the tourist visa. And having a sponsor, hindi ibig sabihin na 100% magiging aprobado na yung visa mo. So, kailangan pa rin ng proof of ties from the applicants or sa aplikante mismo. Build your own profile while having the sponsors.